Hello, good afternoon. Maulan na hapon sa ating lahat at stranded tayo ngayon kasi malakas ang ulan and nag bike sana tayo. So, parking muna yung bike natin at malakas yung ulan. Kaya sabi nga, we're having a fruitful time. Even stranded tayo, so we are having a talk with you to as part of being practicing a growth mindset. Nag-listen din tayo ng mga sa Spotify, sa podcast para may mga matutunan tayo. So while on biking sana, we are listening also sa podcast about life transformational by Coach Ross. And yan, naabutan ng ulan, kaya we are applying this growth mindset, having sharing with you na kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin, hindi ko na natin magawa na ulan, as long as we are doing an activity like this video, to be with you, our friends and followers here in social media, sharing our life here at and spending our weekend at yung mga malalayo, yung mga long distance father and long distance to our family, yung mga ginagawa natin biking and anything that is helpful. So again, dito rin tayo, may nakikita din tayo dito. Sinastandayan natin itong libro. So, idea na magagaling. So, yun lang muna for this time. Dito lang muna tayo. Di silong. And standby lang natin dyan. Hindi natin control. But we are doing anything na mag-grow tayo. And that's all for this afternoon. Happy weekend ulit and stay happy. Smiling always. Bye bye.